Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cat King. This is Anisha here. Let's talk today about your IIFT B-Day strategy. The exam is like in just 2 days. It's on Sunday. So all the things that you need to keep in mind for the day of the exam, what you need to attempt, how many questions, all of them. Also, towards the end of it, I will be talking to you guys about your weightage of shortlisting and selection and a little bit about the GK, since a lot of students have been very worried and asking about GK, kya karna hai, kahan se karna hai. So please make sure you watch the video right till the end. All right. So first thing, let's talk about the IIFT paper pattern and the strategy we need to keep in mind. All right. So when you look at the section wise strategy, good thing is it's been, I think, forever that IIFT paper has been for 2 hours. Okay. Earlier, they used to have varying number of questions, varying marking scheme when it was an offline exam. It's been 2019, say, when the exam has been being conducted online. And since it's online, the pattern has been pretty stable. Okay. Now, when we talk about the stable pattern, they have multiple sections. Section 1 is my quants. Here, 25 questions, 3 marks. Section 2 is DILR. Okay. Earlier, they used to divide the paper into 6 sections. DI अलग था, LR अलग था, RC अलग था, verbal ability अलग था, अलग कट ऑफ होते थे. अभी ऐसा नहीं होता है. 4 sections, 4 sectional cut-offs. Okay. And you have DILR में 30 questions, VARC 35 questions, GK 20 questions. GK का marking scheme, if you see, is half of what it is for other sections. So stop fretting so much about GK. GK में सिर्फ याद रखो मुझे sectional cut-off clear करनी है. Agreed, a lot of people do not clear that sectional cutoff as well also, but that's not a challenge. Okay, focus on maximizing your scores in the other 3 sections. Okay, easiest to maximize is actually your VARC because it has maximum number of questions, plus it's pretty doable as compared to DILR. Quants also is doable, depends on your strength. If you are someone who's not good at quants, तो आपको quants अच्छा नहीं लगेगा because उसमें भी CAT level के कुछ questions आ सकते हैं. LOD 2 level मतलब आपको पढ़ना चाहिए when it comes to quants, DILR for sure. VRC में RCs should be studied inference level तक, inference based questions type. Okay, so that's going to be that. One thing you need to keep in mind is there is negative marking, so I do not attempt all 110 questions. Okay, you can choose any section, any order. There is no sectional time limit. I can keep going and coming back, start with verbal, go to quants, come back to verbal. It's your choice. It's your, what you want to do. If I were to choose the strategy, if I'm writing the exam, what I would start off with is I'll start with the GK section. Because that either I know it or I don't know it. In 10 minutes, get done with those 20 questions. Move to verbal section, then do quants, and last में DILR. If your quants is strong, if you're not very strong with quants, then do DILR first and last में quants. But first GK, second VARC for sure. Collect as many brownie points as you can to maximize your score. That is the prime focus we should all be keeping in mind. All right. Now talking about how many questions should I attempt? Okay. You guys need to keep an eye on the sectional cutoffs here. If the paper is going tough, it goes tough for everybody, right? But sectional cutoffs somewhere around idhar hi hone chahiye. तुम general के sectional cutoffs पे focus रखो. GK में 5.5 it was last year. So keep a target कि मुझे 8 marks लेके आने हैं, ठीक है? We can't be so cut to cut of 5.5 पे ही अटक जाओ, right? So we will focus कि मुझे GK में 8 लेके आना है. Sorry, okay? So GK में 8 लेके आना है. Then VARC may target to get around a 25 sectional score. DILR somewhere around 15 to 18 score. Quants around 12 to 15 score. Okay, so that is your target. I hope you guys are with me. Let me quickly repeat. GK, target a sectional score of 8. VARC, 25. DILR, target 18 to 20 score. Quants, target 12 to 15 score. That's my focus area in each of these sections. Overall, maximize. Obviously, jitna we maximize, more chances we have, because everybody who clears the sectional cutoff is not getting a shortlist call. Okay, that's a very good catch here. ये नहीं कि 43.5 के ऊपर के सबके लोगों को call आ जाएगी. बिल्कुल नहीं, because आपका जो ये scores होगा, then it is going to be shortlisting में एक 100 scores का नया composite score बनेगा. ठीक है, this is very important. Please pay attention and understand. I'm talking about the shortlisting for interviews criteria. जो भी आपका स्कोर था आउट ऑफ 300 IIFT का is scaled down to 73 marks. With that, we add 10 marks for your 10th standard, 10 marks for your 12th standard. इसमें they are very clear on the range. 65 to 75 हो तो 5 marks मिलेगा, 75 plus हो तो पूरा 10 marks मिलेगा. Academic diversity, engineers के लिए 0, non-engineers के लिए 5, gender diversity, male 0, female 2, total score of 100. ये 100 के score के basis पे आपका percentile list निकलेगा, and on that there will be a shortlist. There'll be a PDF of all the students shortlisted for the interview, which will be released out. Okay. So here you have to be making sure your target is in terms of percentile. हमें 97 percentile के ऊपर तो रहना ही है, right? तो हमारा 300 में से IIFT score should be 110 plus. ठीक है? I hope everyone is with me. After you're done with interview, then comes the next stage where we talk about the final selection. Here your जो भी 300 वाला IIFT score था is now scaled down to 45. Your what GD PI is maximum weightage, 40 marks udhar bhi. This is divided 20 marks for PI, 10 for GD or extempore, whatever is being conducted, 10 for the what. 2 marks for academic diversity, 2 marks for gender diversity, 3 marks for WorkX, 8 marks for academic consistency, which is 4 for your 10th, 4 for your 12th, overall a score of 100, and isme se you are going to get selected. Okay, so this is understanding the D-Day strategy for IIFT exam and understanding what is going to be your shortlisting criteria, selection criteria, which you have to focus on. Okay. Now, one thing which everybody has been very worried about and talking is कि मैं GK क्या पढूं, कहाँ से पढूं, all of those things. So let me quickly show you guys this screen. I'm sure you would have seen it in the previous video as well also. If not, please take a screenshot of this right now. Okay. These are the must-do topics, or these are all the topics which have come in IIFT GK in the last 3 years. So you can take a screenshot of this image. Just a second. Yes, so you can take a screenshot here now. All right, you will see certain topics have been prominent all throughout. Like, for example, currencies, country and currencies, world organizations, their headquarters, HOs, where are they, and all of them. Then sports current affairs, technology-based current affairs. You also have topics which are from science and technology, like, and then founders of companies, top company CEOs, and that is coming in for sure. All right, so it's got a lot of to do with the business and economy space, right? So what you're going to do is open up Cat King's GK Zone section. In the static compendiums, okay, there are two things. There are in GK Zone, there are current affair compendiums, static compendiums. Current affair में 6 months का तो पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. Static GK में से first section is your must do static GK topics. These books need to be done for sure. Okay, these compendiums. Then come to your business and economy. Business and economy में आप जब आओगे, make sure you are doing at least the topics which have must do for IIFT mentioned right next to it, especially the ones which talk about the major headquarters, events, World Health Organizations, all of these for sure, because that's something which is very important and essential. Then you also have your country, currencies, capitals, all of them as well. So study those. So make sure you go to the GK Zone, study the must-do static GK books, and you study the must-do IIFT books under each and every bracket or the bucket of the topics. All right. Stay tuned to the channel for more upcoming strategies, and all the best. Do well on Sunday.